Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Sorry about the delay. This is due to technical difficulties. Uh, I have been just sitting on here waiting for my computer to launch the stream that's scheduled since yesterday. So this is Monday, October the 25th. Welcome to Successful Tradings for pre-markets analysis. Uh, so yeah, let's let's do that. I don't even know what to do right now. So I see beautiful gates on there. I see Mr. Jonathan. So good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. So if you could confirm, please, that you can hear me at least. That's where we can get going. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Jonathan. And definitely, I mean, this is so slow. It's not even funny because I can see the stream which that you are seeing. My image is frozen from, I don't know, a minute ago or so. So fine, if you can hear me, then let's talk about what's in store for us for this week. This is a big week of earnings. So the earnings are going to pretty much dictate, just like last week, right? Dictate how some of the big movers in the market. Remember last week there was a cascading effect coming from Snap earnings. That stock tanked and it affected a lot of other stocks that rely on revenue, mainly. I believe Facebook, the social media ones, yeah, in that same sector. So Facebook, um, Twitter, just Google, even Google lost -3%. It was down -3% on after the Snap earnings. So this week, what do we have in store? If I can show you, if my computer will like, but today really, it's just one of those days, right? So let me just try to make the best out of this. So this here, it's a view on Finviz where you can actually find all of the stock that have earning this week. So you're familiar with the filters, that's the typical filters that we use. Optionable over $20. We exclude the ETF. That's what this is here. And the average daily volume above 1 million. But the parts to get the earnings ones, you just go to earning dates and you go to custom. And in that case, you can ask over the next 5 days, then the list that you see 181 stocks. So if you just want to do it day by day like today, so we can say, well, yesterday after market close we didn't have any yesterday, so we can say which stock had earning today before market open, meaning that right now, as we are doing this, let's see if this computer can spit out that for us. Or let's see. I'm crossing my fingers here, folks. Again, sorry for the technical difficulties. It's just one of those Mondays. Okay, so fantastic. We had four stocks that had earnings before market open today. Typically on here, when I hover over the ticker of a stock, I will see its charts. So, but for whatever reason, they don't. This thing is super slow today, and it doesn't. Oh, here we go. Oh, finally. Okay, so you can see the gap up on here, 1.68% on QSR. Otis, this specialty industry machinery up 1% at 86.57. KMB -3% at 129. And HSBC, this is Bank Financial from the United Kingdom, trading at the price of $30, but after a recent breakout above 27. So this is how you find stock that will have earnings. So again, let's do that on here one more time. So I just did here under custom. If I can do that, easy telex, and check the today's one. So tomorrow, for instance, you can do this. You can do yesterday after market close. I can select that the market wasn't open yesterday in the US, and then tomorrow morning you select as well today before market open. That's where you will be getting the stock providing earnings on Tuesday morning, and as well as the one that provided the earnings on Monday. after hours. So this is how you will go about doing that. By doing this morning, I'm getting the same list as before. And again, one last time, if you want to do that over the next 5 days, this computer is so jumpy. This is what you do. So there, let's wait for this list to come up. That was the original filter that we had. It will unveil to us eventually, if this thing is willing, that hey, some of the big earnings this week will be AMG, Apple. AMG is when AMG is on the 26th after market hours, meaning tomorrow after market close. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and even Facebook. Facebook is this week as well. So all of these big tech company, which impact QQQ, they will be releasing their earnings this week. Most of them Thursday after market close. So and some of them on Wednesday as well. So that will have again an impact on the QQQ. So this morning, what are some of the movers on here to start the day this morning? I mean, I am at the mercy of this computer that does not want to do much. Okay, so maybe this morning we can see on here. These are the stock that are jumping this morning. GWAC, I don't know this stock for whatever reason. I thought I came across some reading or whatsoever. I guess it's one of those SPAC companies. Let's just, I mean, it has been trading for how many days? 3 days, or today is the third day, and the stock is up from whatever below $50 to went to 150 on Friday. So yeah, this stock doesn't have option because this is the IPO. So I'm not interested. I pass for now. What's happening with Bloom? Bloom is up 25%. We just look at the earnings one. I mean, unless he has an earning and the volume, it's lower than 1 million share daily volume. But this is a clear breakout above 20 in something electrical equipment. So there must be some type of news on that one. PayPal is moving. PayPal in pre-market earlier was trading even at 257. Right now is at 200. 257. That was a high in pre-market. Now at 253. Yeah, definitely. The chart of PayPal. We had 3 consecutive days of red days last week. So if it's bouncing, the news on here on PayPal was that they said not sure why a company after the rumor came out last week. They will wait until the stock drop all the way to 240 from let's say 275 earlier in the week. For them now after 3 days to say, oh no, we are not interested in buying pins. Doesn't make sense to me. That again, that's why I'm here and they're over there. Yeah. So, but that was curious to me that they didn't come out and make that statement. That's the final release today that they are not buying pins. So pins, let's switch on here very quickly and then come back if we can. That's that's not gonna work, right? Oh, pins is down minus 12% on that news because pins jumped last week from let's say it was mid 50s to all the way to 66 briefly, right? So it traded at $60 for a couple of days and then came down on that snap reporting. So pins is down this morning. PayPal is trying to recover. So let's see how that goes. Here's Tesla. Tesla is above 900 and it's the only stock part of the tech that's really doing anything other than pins, other than PayPal, that's doing anything of value this morning. The QQQ is up less than $1 last time I checked. So in here, yeah, I mean, if you want to trade Tesla, more power to you. I most likely will not because if I want to get exposure to Tesla here, I trade the Qs because Tesla is one of the top 5 on QQQ. So that's just me. Why? Because the option on Tesla, they are just ridiculously expensive. There is a stock that's we talked, for those who were paying attention on Friday, an hour before the close in our Discord. That stock, I'm not sure it will feature on here, but that stock is up 241%. I posted in our Discord room the $2 calls. If you go to which channel was that on? The channel that was on was overnight swing trades or trade ideas. Let's see here. Let's see which channel was that on. So that was posted. Yeah, trade ideas. October 22nd at 11:55 a.m. Pacific time. So the stock now, the stock was trading at the time at $1.73. Yeah. This morning it hit $8. Currently it's trading at $7.70 or $7.30. Oh, it's jumping all over the place. $7.42. I can just imagine those contracts, those $2 calls, they were trading at the time at 35 cents. They close at 65 cents. So this morning, opening $5 in the morning, yeah, they're going to be paying close to $6. And again, I don't have any screen to show you because my computer, that nothing seems to be working, folks. So I really apologize for this because right now it's just ridiculously slow and not doing much. So sorry about that. So yeah, any stock that's maybe at least is TradingView working? If TradingView is able to show something, okay, TradingView is working, so at least we can look at that. But all the other apps on my computer, for whatever reason, starting with YouTube itself, they're super slow. So for me, this morning, it's Monday. I'm going to take it easy. It's going to be a very long week. I kid you not, yeah, with all of the earnings coming in the back end. So my interest here this morning is to see, is QQQ going to make any type of move? Today is expiration day. So for our Discord traders, I will be posting immediately over the next 8 minutes. The moment that I'm done on here, I will be posting that trade in the Ganser channel on the QQQs. So and I'm looking at what else we have. Our option watch list. Yeah, the successful trade alerts are obviously trading any type of momentum on there. And if Finviz decide to work finally, whatever that's will be trending on there as well. So that's the plan on here. If you have a stock that you want us to take a look at, no problem. But otherwise, for us, really, our main focus will be trading Ganser strategy this week on the main. Yeah, here's pin interest, folks. Oh my goodness, minus 15%. Hello, hello. So this is yeah. This is just something else. So yeah, a stock that was trading last week $66 now is below $50. Well, welcome to the U.S. stock market. It's just where dreams are made every single time. I'm so sorry about that. All right, so I'm trying to get you guys to see. So you're familiar with the Finviz screener. So here's pins on the bearish side, and if that chart will come up at all. Jeez, I need to drink on here. Apologize. Okay. Okay, folks. Sorry about that. So if the sound is gone, then definitely this is a cue for us to let go. Sorry about that.